there, 小哥们, and welcome to the Sing and Learn Chinese mobile app. This app is available to anyone who is serious about learning Chinese with Chinese songs and with a few other fun things. So let's get right into it. As you can see here, this is the home page, and there are 5 icons right here. We'll go through each of them starting with Start Here. So in this section we have how to use this app. And this is where you will find this video as well as a quick article talking about the different ways that you can use the app. And that's for those of you who prefer reading. Next, we have the Chinese basics. And this is where we keep all of the teaching videos, currently organized into 3 categories, starting with beginning Chinese topics, which includes a few videos on what you need to know if you are starting to learn Chinese completely from scratch. We have here How Chinese Works, which includes a few videos on what you need to know if you are starting completely from scratch. And then after that, we have the Chinese alphabet, which is going over the Chinese syllabary. And then we have the Chinese tones video, which will teach you the 4 or 5 tones in Chinese. Now these little arrows in the circles that you see here to the right are download arrows. And if you tap on that, you can download the videos so that you can continue to watch and rewatch the videos even if your device is currently not online. And if you want to remove your download, you can just tap the symbol again and you can remove the download. Now we can go back to our basic Chinese. Our next section is the Chinese syllables. And here you're going to find our pronunciation chart at first, and the first button, if you click on View Content, you're going to see the free PDF. If you tap on this square button here to the right, you can send yourself a copy either with email or AirDrop. And if we go back here, there's a quick video on how to use the pronunciation chart. Then if you tap on this gray bar over here and scroll down, you can see the 405 syllables based on the 22 columns of the Chinese pronunciation chart. And this section is still being built out, so depending on when you're watching this, you'll probably see a lot more videos in this section. Okay, let's go back. Oh, there's also an advanced Chinese topics section, which is still being built out. And returning to the Start Here section, underneath Chinese basics, there are a couple of articles on how to learn Chinese using the podcast within this app, as well as using the Chinese songs, different strategies. And then at the bottom we have an index of songs, which includes all of the different songs organized by language difficulty level, as well as alphabetically by their song titles or by the artist's name. So back to the home page. The next icon underneath Start Here is the champion circle, and we're going to save that because it's special. So next we have the Learn Chinese podcast section. And this section of the app contains short and sweet podcast episodes on a variety of topics so that you can train your ear to listen to Chinese. And the first icon here is one you've seen before in the Start Here section, how to use podcasts to learn Chinese. And then the second icon is the most recent podcasts, and here's the audio. You can see what it looks like down here. And then we've got the archives down here, and the older podcasts are available for purchase in the archive section. As you can see, like you can see they're organized by year, so you can see what was in past episodes, past seasons. And when you purchase them, they will be located here, the podcasts, and you can tap on the icons to see what's inside. And these podcasts are also available to our champions, which we'll talk about a little bit more later. So back to home. Now, we've come to the songs section of the app. So when you tap on that, you will see that we have an introduction article, and then we've got 4 icons, bonus songs, and the index that you've seen before. So let's start with the first one, Chinese song covers. The first icon contains our Chinese song covers, where you can hear our covers of popular Chinese songs sung in their original language, which in this case is Chinese, of course. For example, and then the second section, right underneath, is Chinese songs in English. So in this section of the app, you get to hear the same songs sung this time in English. And we translated the original lyrics into a singable English version, keeping the rhythm and the rhyme and the meaning of the song lyrics as close as possible so that you can sing along for fun and also understand what the original song is about. So here's an example of that. And then for the next section, we've got the karaoke tracks. Oh no, we have the lyrics explained first. So the lyrics explained track goes through the lyrics, the Chinese lyrics, and then explains them in detail, what each word means, how they're combined, and if there are any idioms or special terms that you need to know, that will all be in there. And then finally we have the karaoke tracks, where you can listen to the song. It's purely instrumental, no lyrics in English or Chinese, but the lyrics are on the screen so you can sing along. And you can decide whether you want to sing it in English, in Chinese, or both, up to you. Okay, and then underneath here we've got bonus songs, and I will leave that a secret so you guys can explore, and then of course the index of songs which you saw before. Alrighty, back to the home page. So at the bottom here we've got the treasure chest, which has some random fun things, and because it's a treasure chest, I'll also leave this one closed so you can open it yourself and see what's inside. Now let's return to the champion circle. So this highlighted section of the app is only going to show up on the devices of people who are our champions, that is, our patrons and donors, people who support Sing and Learn Chinese. Inside we have an Open Me First article, which is private, it's just for champions, so I won't be opening that on video. And by the way, if you're interested in learning more about becoming a champion, just go to singandlearnchinese.com/champions, CHAMPIONS, and you can find out more. So the first thing underneath the letter is all songs for champions. And this is basically the songs that you saw before, but they're organized differently and they have a few extra things. As you can see, they're organized by song name. So when you tap on the gray bar, you can see all of the songs here. They're organized by pinging alphabetically with their English names in the parentheses, and you can choose which one you'd like to listen to. And they're organized so that you can see the Chinese, English, lyrics explained, and karaoke in order, which makes it easier for you to learn. And like I said, there are a few extra goodies that champions get access to. So for example, under the Chinese covers, you're going to get the Chinese lyrics with a pinging and then an English translation. Under the English cover, you're going to get the singable English lyrics here in the description section. In the lyrics in colloquial English, you're going to get the lyrics in colloquial English, and then you're going to get the lyrics explained, showing you word by word what each word means and how they combine. And under the karaoke section, there is some introduction material about the song, so who wrote it and some fun facts about it. Oh, one more thing. If you want to, you can create notes on the videos. All you have to do is tap this notes icon, and then you can create audio notes or text notes. So for example, you can write a note and save it. And if you want to look at your note, you click on Actions, and you can view and edit your notes. And here you can tap on the note, edit it, add an audio note, or delete it if you'd like. That all works. If you want the text to be larger or smaller, you can tap on these double A's up here in the upper right-hand corner. Make the text smaller or larger. And you can also change the speed by tapping on the bottom right-hand corner here. So let's see, what else is there? Let's go back to the champion circle. So the champions also get access to the Learn Chinese podcasts, and again, you get some extra perks. For example, when you tap open your podcast, you're going to see that you have the text of the podcast with keywords in Chinese, Pinyin, and English. And you're going to get all of the podcasts starting from the month that you join us. And so you not only get to listen to the podcast, you actually can follow along with the 3 different translations, or not translations, but transcripts. And now these last few icons down here are just for champions only. The behind the scenes audio log is a behind the scenes look at how we translate songs. We have a BTS for each of the songs inside of the app, and you can learn more about the thought process, the language quirks, the translation difficulties and decisions that we went through to translate from Chinese to English and make it singable still, so that we have the Chinese cover and we can do an English cover. Then we've got the 405 Chinese sounds, which again starts with a PDF here because the rest of this section is based on that PDF. So instead of organized by columns, these are organized by row. And the reason why is because this forms a kind of rhyming dictionary. If you want to write your own Chinese songs in the future, you can find words that rhyme with each other by looking through this section of the app. So let me show you an example. If you look here, you'll see there's an audio recording of the word, and then there are some example words and sentences for the word in different tones. So first, second, third, fourth tone, all the different words that are pronounced, etc. And this section is still being built out, so that's actually a great opportunity for people who want to become champions now, because in the future, the opportunity to become champions will be harder to get in and will probably be more costly. So if you wanted to get in now, you should jump on this opportunity, because I have no guarantees on how long it will still be open. Okay, so basically that's it for now. There are a lot of things coming, some fun projects along the road that you'll hear more about via email in the future. And that's basically it. If you can access this app with your phone or your iPad, and there may be a desktop version in the future as well. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. The address is in the description below. And until we sing again, 再见.